Okay, hi everybody. So when we start this first section, we are going to be off the risers. So I'm going to just move to the edge of the screen because that would make more sense. Okay. So you're going to start in, and for the first 8 counts, you're just going to march in, kind of like, it's like, and then you're going to grapevine it. Yeah. So then you're going to grapevine to your spots after that.
Make sure that when you're grapevining, it goes up, and then cross in front, and then up, and then cross behind. So just do that once. Ready? Coming in to the center, and your outside hand is Fosse fingers, and your inside hand's on the hip. 6, ready, go. 1, in front, behind, in front, and then you meet in the center.
And then you pose and you go happenstance. Okay, so is it? Do you want to go on happenstance?
Well, we'll have to figure it out once we block it in terms of if it's happenstance or if it's happenstance. Hit, whatever.
You'll know by like tomorrow.
Yeah.
So, but you go pose on happenstance, like happenstance, and then you go bright light, so it's blazing they face out, and then stage fights. Your my left hand, your upstage hand is on the guy's shoulder, and then stage fights punch behind.
And I didn't say this in class, but if you are a girl-guy couple, we'll probably have like the guy. The reason your motivation to turn in is like you're gonna like go in for like a kiss,
Yeah.
and then she's like no, and she's gonna hit you,
Yeah.
right? So you go here and then punch.
And then you go. You're gonna slide out and go and hands on here and dazzling ball change. Okay. Dazzling balls. Okay. So then after that, do you want to start from the beginning?
Let's just do then one more section.
Okay. And dazzling balls, and then you go. You want to be great, then you gotta create, and then on create you're gonna go here. You go a musical, and then you're gonna step out. Is it in front? In front.
No, I think we went behind.
Yeah. Behind. Look up and down.
Okay, so a couple things with that last section. We got to make sure that we have this. One, that this is the jazz hand. You're not singing. This is people are singing, but you're not supposed to be. That's the solo. You want to be great, then you got to create. So you don't have to worry about covering up your mouth because you're not singing. 1, 2, 3, hit. So this one looks down. This one looks up. Hit. And that's behind. And then, sorry, I said we kept it up. Didn't we? Kept it behind. And I lied before. This goes out, in front, flip up, and down. So let's start now back at bright light stage fights.
So 5, 6, 7, 8. Bright lights, stage fights, and a dazzling chorus. When you great, then you gotta create a musical out, front, up, and down.
Okay, one more time, and then we're going to go on. So same place, bright lights. Let's move over just a little bit so we can see both of us because that's covering. Yeah. 5, 6, ready, aim.
Bright lights, stage fights, and a dazzling chorus. When you great, then you gotta create a musical.
I think it's going to go out.
Up.
Then we move.
And then you move to your spots for, let's just say it's a Saturday night and you want to go out of town. And then probably you get a flatter my trip if you don't wear it down. You just flirt the whole time. So if you're a girl, just females, flip your hair, together, hi, or something. And if you're a guy, just go like,
Hey, what's up? How
hey,
you
what's
doing?
up? Yeah, okay. So like that. And then you can go see a tragedy. Girls, your hand should be on your head and you're fanning yourself and you stop fanning once you're done singing. And then guys,
Bases, but that wouldn't be very fun. I'll write on the word that. On the word that, your foot crosses. But that wouldn't be very fun.
And then altos, you have your stuff. I think if you were, can they see me over here? Okay.
No.
It's fine. Okay.
There you go, right there.
If you're on the top row, you went like up or something like this. And in the middle row, Noelle was in the middle. And she was like this. And then the rest 3 of you were grabbing like her back and her arms. I can show you the picture of you. And then on the ground, I think 2 of you were in the middle and you were sitting like this, angling towards each other. And then somebody was on their
their son, ew, and then gross. And then we move. So wherever you are, move down. Okay. Go see something more relaxing and less taxing on. Yep, good. So this part, the feet just go cross and touch, cross and touch. Cross and touch, and then drag in on, bring down. Pop your head, hat comes off, and that goes into the next section. Okay, so let's try all of that once from bright lights all the way to section 2. 5, 6, slowly, ready, go. Bright lights, stage fights, and the dazzling chorus. If you want to be great, then you gotta create a musical. Out, across, and up, and down. Then we move. Just to say it's a Saturday night and you want to go out on the town. Got a lady to flatter and won't turn you up if you won't let her down.
You could go see a tragedy.
But that wouldn't be very fun.
Great mythology.
See a mother in love with her son? Ew. You could go see a drama with all that trauma and pain. Or go see something more relaxing or less taxing on the brain. Go see a musical. There you go. That's chunk 1.